Hello guys, if you are facing this problem in your blog or website, your website blog posts are not indexed, it is because you are facing this type of redirect. Let me show you. If I click on this URL, you will see it is showing page is not indexed and a redirect error. It's because you are submitting this URL, but the Google Smart Bots, when it crawls your website web page, it gets new URL, the same URL but with question mark m is equal to 1. So that's why it is showing redirect, because the this URL redirects to another URL. So basically you can solve this using two methods. One is you can manually submit this URL and then add question mark m is equal to 1, like I show you here. You can see I have add question mark m is equal to 1. Using this was indexed successfully. Or you can try two methods. One is you can add this script will add a question mark m is equal to 1 on every device, whether it is a smartphone or a web, any resolution. Another method is you can remove question mark m is equal to 1, and for that you can use this script. So it's up to you which one will you prefer, and you should try it and check which one works for you. I will provide the link in the description so you can check this. You can see here I have added this script here. This script will add question mark m is equal to 1, but every time you have to copy the URL with question mark m is equal to 1 and index it. Or you can try this script. I have commented here, so it will not work, only this one will work here. Just go to your website and then go to theme section and then click on edit and paste the code here after the head tag, starting head tag.